So we were gifted these roof rack for our 2023 full-size Bronco. Really excited about getting this installed. Let's get after it. So the first thing that we had to do was take off the cover here and unscrew the bolts that was holding the plate in place for the accessory, which we just did. This is the left bracket, and then you're going to screw this piece into here, right here. Make sure you only use that hole. We're going to pry this piece off and unscrew that little screw just so this can open up. So after you get that connected, you're going to put it up on the vehicle. It's running all the way to the back, and you're going to use these rivet screws and put them right in the factory spots here. And then you're going to come back here, and this hook, actually this metal piece right here, is going to hook right underneath the hardtop. You're going to set that in place, and then it will all be locked in right here. And then this bolt that you unscrewed at the beginning, you're just going to tighten that down and then replace the plastic cover in the front. And then you just do exactly what you did on the left side over here on the right side. So I have the right side installed as well. And then you're going to take the rear bar and the front bar, which we're getting ready to do here in a second. But take the rear bar. There's going to be 2 short screws, one here and one there on each side. They line up perfectly with this bracket, and you just tighten those down. And then also underneath this is a marker showing you how to install it with like the direction of the car and in the rear. But this has been super easy. If you just follow the instructions, it's been an easy build so far. And then the front bar is a little bit different. You're actually going to screw it in on the inside of the main bar right there. There's little holes right there, and on this side as well. And then this is cool too because it shows you what way to position this bar. So making sure that it's going forward is really helpful. So quick note on the front bar, when you put it on before you screw it in, it's going to be a little short, which works out actually really perfectly because once you screw it all down, it fits perfectly. So don't let that deter you. You're doing everything right. Just get those screws installed. And then these covers are just going to slide right on top, and then there's 2 screws on the top on both sides. So just get these screws in and you're good to go. For the rear, you're going to take this back cover, which is marked left and right, and just pop it in. And then there are going to be a screw for this hole and a screw for that hole. And then you just install the middle bar just as you did the first one. They're very similar. They're exactly the same actually. So yeah, you just hit those screws on that side and on this side. And just like that, it's finished. Super easy instructions. Literally anyone could put this together, and so absolutely enjoyed putting this together. Very easy to follow the instructions. It's very solid. It's not going anywhere at all. But yeah, highly recommend this product if you're looking to upgrade or add a roof rack to your Bronco. Would highly recommend this one. Absolutely solid, no complaints at all.